All right, we're at the mechanic shop finally. Getting the engine and tranny taken out. Found a different spot, different mechanic. We're gonna get this done. Wonderful day, it ain't even raining. All right, see what happens. Let's see if my, yep, there it is. Still parked outside.
That's your car?
All right, well, it's out. Ah, got a lot of stuff to clean up and get out. One thing, my fault, I forgot to tell them to take the exhaust out. So they left it on. But like I said, that's my fault. I'll have to take care of that. Not a big deal. But yeah, so everything's out. I could start the process. It's a good day. All right. All right. Now I gotta figure out how to get it in the garage because my friends are all morons. So we almost got it. We're stuck. We're getting a couple more friends to help us push it back up because I can't do it because of my knee. All right. We made it. Everything's out. I'm gonna start working on it today. So let's just get right to it. What I want to do is I'm gonna get this thing off the windshield wiper motor and get all the cables and everything off of that, put that on, and then I'll start on that, getting that off, maybe get some, try to get all these wires cleaned up today. We'll see. Anyways, all right, I still don't got a iPhone stand or whatever, so I'll try to figure out how to put the camera somewhere to do a time lapse. All right, bye.
Out to get there, but it prepares me for the bigger picture. Jealous fools be out to get you, hit you, wanna split you when you try to get richer. When you're broke, they wanna dish you, ditch you, dogs bit you, quit you like a job doing dirt like the mob. No need for me to sob and be these rap niggas that be making niggas rob and push weight. They can't wait for their fate. They got a video, but can't put food up on their plate. So who's to hate? Use upstate. You wanna be a dog like Nate, having brothers pushing boulders like Mr. Slate. Now that be on the real truth. Only God can heal you. Believe me, dog, I feel you. I hear ya. I hear ya.